Just going to take you through the students-related workflows on Reading Fluency app. So just like the passages, you have the passage section here from the dashboard. You also have a student section here. And there is also a dedicated tab just for the students where you have more real estate to work with. But the function is mostly the same. So to add a student, you just need to click that button, add student. Then you will be able to create a student very easily. This student name is the only fields as required. You can put whatever you feel comfortable there. Doesn't have to be their real name if you have your own system. And then there's the roster ID, which is how many teachers use to manage their students. It's also optional. And then the student ID probably comes from your student information system or learning management systems. And then, of course, you can use tags to organize them. And then those tags will be able to help you quickly find them. And on top of that, very similar to passages, you can add a student to a specific group. So we call those roster groups. You can create a roster group while you're adding. You can add a student to multiple roster groups if that's what you wanted. And then you can quickly switch between the roster groups. And you can, of course, rename the roster group. And then there's also this go function, which is kind of related to the reports function that we will go over later that we won't be going into right now. But once you have the students, you will be able to associate a passage to a specific student. So their recordings and their recording histories will be accessible to you. So here you will be able to see a timeline of all the assessments that they did over time. You will be able to see the trend with word correct per minute as well as fluency score. And then you can see the average scores. And you can also export those records as those formats, images, PDF, and CSV. And of course, you can edit them or delete them. So that's the main functions of organizing students. And once you combine those students' function with reports and passages, it can be pretty powerful. So we will be going through the reports function in another video in this series. Thank you.